Good morning, BNI. Growing a business is easier as a master connector. And the fastest way to become a master connector is to tap into the power of your local BNI chapter, which connects you to an international network of hundreds and thousands of business people in dozens of countries around the world. Our master connectors introduce people that they care about to the referral partners that they trust to deliver what they promise to help solve a problem. That is why today we recognize them for their valuable contributions in growing our community of teachers. Again, congratulations to our awardees at maraming salamat po.
Hi BNI Philippines, congratulations to all the winners of the Master Connector Pins. You know this is the one for the visitors, okay? Right, congratulations for achieving such excellence in bringing visitors to your chapters. And be on the play, be on the game to win many more Master Connector Pins for the other sections of the Master Connector program. See you and all the best.